We have another subscription box from Universal Yums since she was part of the world we're tasting today. This month's Universal Yums is very special. It's a holiday box. And this will take us to 10 different countries across the globe. First thing we're gonna try is Sangria Soda from Mexico. Just really tastes like sangria. Good with people who doesn't want alcohol or doesn't want to drink. 10 out of 10. Oh, yes, yes. Foam Santas from Sweden. Ooh, it smells like bubble gum. Adorable. Marshmallow bubblegum flavor. Give this 8 out of 10.
I will eat you now, Santa. Strawberry cream soda marshmallow. 7 out of 10.
Next thing we're gonna try, Wayne Rich's Dubai style chocolate bar from
Germany.
Because I think this is a German company. This is their take from Dubai chocolate. It has a glossy finish. A pistachio filling in the middle. Not too sweet. It's very creamy. Doesn't really compare to the original one. A solid 7 out of 10.
It's hard to compare when you like the original. This is okay for me. 7.
Watermelon chocolate chip cookies from
Japan.
Watermelon and chocolate together. Japan is also always have a top tier packaging. That's how it look like. Very crunchy. You will taste the watermelon. The chocolate is not overpowering. 8 out of 10.
Chocolate covered watermelon. It's 7 out of 10.
Popcorn salted egg yolk from
Taiwan.
Ooh, you can really smell buttered flavored popcorn with really salted eggs. Very savory. Umami flavor is there. 10 out of 10 for me.
It tastes like you've been a kettle corn with salted egg. 12.
It's Christmas mini spice cookies from
Denmark.
Ooh, ginger snaps flavor. Mini bonbons. Very crunchy ginger snap cookie. Dark chocolate. Not a fan of ginger cookies, but this is 7 out of 10 for me.
10.
Ohio toffee from
USA.
The perfect shape of toffee. 10. That toffee in the middle, crunchy, very buttery. 10 out of 10.
I'm not a fan of the toffee because it's very hard to bite. I'm very old and my teeth scary. 10.
Jalapeno tostones chips from
Peru.
You can smell jalapeno already. Smashed plantain. Bursting with flavor. It's very crunchy. Umami. It's quite spicy but it's manageable. This is 8 out of 10.
This will be good with guacamole. 10.
Chocolate egg yolk candy from
Spain.
very shiny chocolate, dark chocolate. That's the middle part of very grainy. I cannot taste the egg yolk. Dark chocolate, it overpowers. This one is 6 for me.
It has a texture of almond joy. I only taste the chocolate with some texture. 6 for me.
This holiday, Universal Yums has this Cookies of the World tin box. 21 cookies from 8 countries. It says all the different cookies that you have in this tin. So if you spend $80 or more in universalyums.com, actually going to get this for free
While supply lasts. It's fun to taste all the snacks all over the world. Happy holidays!
Make sure to go to universalyums.com to start your own snack adventure.